Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about this product that I got from Sephora, the Bombay store that's in Palladium, and it is this Sephora palette over here, and it has a box which is not on it right now. So basically what this has is, once you open it, there's a mirror over here. Hi, you can see it. Alright, yeah. So there's a mirror over here, and then there are all these shades that you can see. These are the 36 shades that you see inside, and then once you open it on this end, you can see all these lip colors over here, and once you open it on this end, you can see all these face colors over here. So there are 12 lip colors, and there are 6 face colors. So 2 of them are blushes, 1 is a bronzer, 1 is a highlight, and 2 are just contour highlight shades. So yeah, that. And over here on lips, there's like just gloss. There are like 4 shades of peach, 2 shades of coral, 2 shades of pink, 3 shades of brown, and 1 is a plum color. And when I come to eyeshadows, all of these are just plain powder colors, but the 3 of them that you see here, these 3 are cream shadows. So I am gonna show y'all this eye makeup look with the Sephora palette. So the base is already there. I'm just gonna show y'all the eye makeup look. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the look first, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what I think about this palette. I'm just gonna prime my eyes, because that's what you do. Then I'm taking this glittery pink color and just putting it over here. Not much, alright, just a little, because you don't want it to be very glittery. Alright, once you're done with that, I'm gonna take the same brush and take this yellow color and just fill in the center and a little bit of my last quarter of the eyelid. I'm just gonna fill it all in first. And as you can see, it's not extremely pigmented. It's slightly pigmented, but I would have loved it if it was, you know, a little more. Wow, this way I'm gonna use up a lot of product, man. Okay, I think we're getting there. Alright, make sure you're covering it up properly. I'm gonna slightly merge it in, not much, a little bit. You see that? Oh, by the way, I'm using a Vega flat eyeshadow brush in the size medium. Alright, I think I'm done here. Then I'm gonna take a definer brush by Smashbox. It's the number 15, and I'm gonna take this purple color over here, and I'm gonna fill in the rest of my eye carefully. Alright, now this V shape that you see over here, I've made it on purpose because I'm gonna wing it out today. So I've not put a tape or anything. I'm just going directly in with my brush and just try to, you know, define it as much as possible. Just go on building the color little by little. So I think the next time I use this palette, I'm gonna you know, make my brush a little damp, and then go ahead with the colors and see what difference does it make. I don't want to do it right now because the whole texture might get spoiled, so I'll just keep it this way. Okay, once you're done with this step, take a clean brush and then just go ahead and merge both of these carefully. You have to merge it in such a way that they both are equally visible as individual colors and they don't get lost in the blending process. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more pink. As I said, the glitter is overpowering it, so yeah. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna add very little of black in the crease. And this is not exactly black, it's you know, it has black with pigments of purple, so it's gonna add a little dimension. There you go. That's all. I'm not gonna go ahead with more. So I think I'm pretty much done with the colors. I hope you can see it, and I am just going to blend in this part now with the clean one so that it doesn't go all the way and, you know, mess it up. So I'm just gonna go with a thin line, as thin as possible, softly. Okay, so this is how my wing looks like. I've made it really thin so that you can see the color, and yeah. So guys, I'm done with the makeup look, and I hope you liked that part of the video. Now moving on to the review, I am quite happy with the palette when it comes to the range of colors that it offers. It has almost all the possible colors that you can use. So that being said, I am not very happy with the pigmentation of all the colors. So as you saw, purple and black, the purplish black was pretty fine when it comes to pigments, but it took a long time for me to blend and to, you know, build up the pink color, which is not a good thing because a color taking that long to blend is not a great color. But I still don't want to you know, give it a thumbs down. I would like to try new colors, more colors, and then we can decide how it works. And also I was thinking that maybe I can dampen the brush and then apply the color and see how it works, but it was too late. I was already done with the eye. But I will let you all know how that works once I try it out, and then we can decide how this palette is. Apart from that, I haven't yet tried the lip colors because I'm afraid that it's not going to be very pigmented either. They're just going to be some gloss kind of a thing. And when it comes to the face powders, it's really great. It has a nice coral blush, it has a pink blush, and all of the shades are really nice. So I can't wait to try that either. And I tried this contour shade over here on this cheek, and I think it's great. Like, it's giving a great shadow, so thumbs up for that. And yes, that's about it. A teeny tiny review. So this retails for 3,250 rupees in the Palladium store, the Palladium Sephora store. And yeah, if you're someone who doesn't like to, you know, buy a lot of makeup, buy too many different products, then y'all can definitely go for this because it has so many things in one. It's not even funny. So it's great like that, and I think I like it. I'm gonna use it often because it offers a lot of stuff, obviously. That being said, I am done for this video. If you like this, then please give it a very big thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I upload new videos every week, and I'm gonna be having some Dubai vlogs coming out, so stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Comment and let me know how you like it, and if you tried this look, then please send me pictures. I would love to see them. And yes, let's see you on the other side. No, what am I saying? What am I saying? Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.